Right now, 1.8 billion people have tuberculosis, with 10 million active cases. It's the world's deadliest infectious disease, yet nobody has ever paid TB much attention. Even as about 1.5 million people die every year. About 4,000 lost every day. Even worse, cures are available, yet the world continues to ignore TB. Finally, after decades of disappointment, hope. The world pledged to end TB once and for all. What happened next? We decided to hold funders and policymakers accountable, to bring these shortcomings out of the shadows, and asking signees to deliver on their words. Cough It Up is taking our message to the doorsteps of the promise makers and is activating the Louder Than TB network to call for change. The world can't afford to wait any longer. It's time to put the promise of a world without TB back on the map.